This is a residential key of Kwikset. We'll use 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine to make a demonstration how to cut this key by bittings. At first, turn on the application. Enter the option key database and choose the residential key. Click the first letter of this key brand. Enter Kwikset. Choose the third one. Click the key profile. Here we'll use the special residential clamp. It's the guided animation. We'll install the special key blank depending on the guide picture. If it's ready, click Continue. If we want to cut this key, we just put the key bittings into the profile. 6, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5. Finally cut this key.